save money, time, reduce stress, or eliminate waste. Meal planning can help with all of that. Meal planning helps you save money because you'll know ahead of time what you'll be cooking, and you'll be able to plan meals around items that you already have at home, which means you won't overspend on groceries. With meal planning, you only buy what you need, and knowing ahead of time what you'll be cooking for the week will also save you time. A lot of time spent on cooking is not on the cooking itself. It comes from thinking about what to cook, making the grocery list, and shopping for items. By planning your meals for the week, you limit the number of trips you make to the grocery store, as well as minimize the stress over what you plan to make. One of the most stressful things about cooking is when 5 p.m. rolls around and you realize you don't know what to cook for dinner. Having a meal plan in place can curb this unnecessary stress and make the entire cooking process much more enjoyable. Meal planning also helps you to minimize waste. Around 40% of food is wasted in America, and the average family throws away $2,200 worth of food every year. By planning your meals for the week, you'll ensure that no food gets left behind.